The city is a huge complex containing numerous components, including citizens, governmental functions, transportation, healthcare, electricity, communication, security, environmental protection, fire protection, education, industry, logistics, etc. A city is also a gathering place for citizens and an ever-evolving ecosystem. Public transportation, public health, basic communication, energy consumption, public safety, social services, and community and family in the city constitute a series of subsystems, which in turn form a universally connected, mutually reinforcing, and mutually influencing the whole. Nowadays, the development of cities is increasingly constrained by the shortage of resources such as land, space, energy, air and water, and the pressure on urban population expansion and environmental protection is increasing. In the past, the relationship between these subsystems could not provide integrated information support for urban development due to the lack of scientific and technological power in the urban development process. In cities, along with the flow of people, information, and capital, several mobile elements combine to make cities vibrant and imaginative. The interaction of these three types of mobility poses a great challenge to urban management and government administration. Population mobility has the property of gathering and dispersing. For example, Shenzhen in the past was like an empty city during the Spring Festival, while there would be a constant influx of people after the Spring Festival. Population movement brings sufficient human resources to the city, but at the same time, the government needs public opinion analysis and correct guidance to ensure social stability. In terms of capital, the capital flow has the property of leverage. The orderly capital flow will bring sufficient financial support to social development, while disorderly capital flow will bring asset bubble risk to cities. To meet the challenge, people should start with the improvement of government and city self-capacity, which is called city core competitiveness. The core competitiveness of a city lies in the level of services and environmental support it can provide, where the level of services is about the core competence of the government. Service and regulation are two functions of a city that are not contradictory and are interdependent, with the foreground manifesting as service and the background providing regulation based on service interaction data. The improvement of city self-capability relies on organization, people, process, and technology, and its construction needs to be built in long-term public service operation practice. In the future, with the new generation of information technology such as the Internet of Things, cloud computing, big data, internet, and mobile internet, the physical infrastructure, information infrastructure, social infrastructure, and commercial infrastructure in the city will be connected through intelligent perception to become a new generation of intelligent infrastructure, so that the relationship between various fields and subsystems in the city will be revealed, which is like a city's nervous system, making it a system that can command decisions, reflect in real time, and coordinate operations. Now you know that the Internet of Things makes our cities smarter and smarter. If you want to know more useful information about IoT, you can click it to follow us.